This brand is so cool. They make all of these cubed fidget toys, and they're all magnetic, so you can actually stack multiple of them together to create some really fun structures. But overall, it is just a fun, fidgety toy that keeps your hands occupied while your mind can just run loose. There's a way to get this into like a diamond shape that I haven't figured out yet. This brand does have an app you can download, so it gives you some like cool ideas and like different games and shapes you can create. But definitely check this out if you have a fidget lover in your house or if you are one yourself.